Here is our latest KW Revolution magnetic system. The Pro ND kit including 3 ND filters, polarizer filter, 2 different magnetic adapters, a lens cap and a filter pouch. We have 2 different magnetic adapters, which is magnetic inlaid ring and a normal magnetic adapter. Screw the magnetic adapter on the lens. Install the KW Revolution filter on. For easier installation, connect the magnetic inlaid ring to the KW Revolution magnetic filter, or magnetic adapter ring. Screw the inlaid ring and the magnetic adapter together to the lens. Then take out the filter, or magnetic adapter from the lens. Use the provided wrench to screw the magnetic inlaid ring to the proper position of the lens. The magnetic inlaid ring can hidden inside the lens for the KW Revolution filters to snap on the lens. It also allows the installation of original lens cap, or screwed circular filters. With the magnetic inlaid ring installed to the screwed circular filters, it allows the KW Revolution filters to snap on the screwed circular filters. With the KW Revolution filters on the lens, we could also stack on your current screwed circular filters on the KW Revolution filters. The KW Revolution filters are also compatible with K's magnetic lens hood.